Here's how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. First thing is to get the IMEI number. You can do this by dialing *#06#. And then the other way would be by going to the settings and then to about phone. There, you can find your IMEI as well. Now that you have your IMEI number, you'll have to contact the original providers and ask them for the unlock code. But if you are unable to get it from the carriers for some reason, you can use third-party services like Cellunlocker.net to get the unlock code. Once you got your unlock code, you'll have to insert a SIM card from another carrier. When placing the SIM card onto the SIM tray, make sure that the middle side is faced upwards. Then, insert it back into the phone. Once inserted, it should ask for an unlock code. Once the code has been entered, the phone should say, "The unlock was successful." Now the phone's unlocked and you can use it with any other carriers. Also, if you found any of this helpful to you, please leave a like, comment, or subscribe.